Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ardymann's channel, your trusted estate and letting agents in the heart of Canary Wharf, London. With a deep understanding of local property market and a commitment to excellence, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional services tailored to meet the diverse need of our clients in Canary Wharf area, London. We are more than just property professionals. We are a team of dedicated experts passionate about connecting people with their dream homes and investment opportunities in Canary Wharf, London. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, rent, or let a property, our experienced agents are here to guide you every step of the way. Our extensive knowledge of Canary Wharf area allows us to provide unparalleled insights into one of London's most dynamic and sought after locations. Our mission is to simplify the property process while maximizing value of our clients, and we strive to create lasting relationships built on trust, transparency, and outstanding results. By combining innovative marketing strategies with a personal touch, we ensure your property journey is smooth, efficient, and stress-free in Canary Wharf area, London. If you're looking to buy or sell a property in Canary Wharf, our sales team is equipped with expertise and market insight to help you achieve the best possible outcome. From initial consultation to final negotiations, we work tirelessly to deliver results that exceed expectations. On the letting side, whether you are a landlord seeking reliable tenants or tenant searching for perfect rental, we offer comprehensive letting services designed to match the right people with the right properties. Our meticulous tenant screening process ensures peace of mind for landlords, while tenants benefit from a wide range of high quality properties to choose from in Canary Wharf, London area. If you're looking for a property management company in Canary Wharf, yes, managing a property can be time consuming and complex. That's why we offer bespoke property management services to take care of everything on your behalf. From maintenance and repairs to rent collection and compliance. We handle it all so you can focus on what matters most to you with your business or job. About valuations, the comparative market analysis, we understand the true value of property in Canary Wharf with our vast experience. And we also have understanding the true value of the property is essential in today's competitive market. Our expert valuations provide accurate assessments, helping client make informed decisions whether buying, selling, or letting. We are local expertise in Canary Wharf, so as a specialist in the Canary Wharf area, we have in-depth understanding of local property market and its trends. We take the time to understand your unique requirements and tailor our services accordingly. From professional photography to virtual tours and targeted advertising, all kinds, online, offline, social media, we use cutting edge tools to showcase your property to the right audience globally. Our goal is to exceed your expectations at every stage of property journey in Canary Wharf. We believe in keeping you informed with clear and honest updates throughout the process. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time buyer in our company is here to make your journey in Canary Wharf, London a seamless and rewarding experience. Let us help you navigate the vibrant property market of one of London's most iconic districts with confidence and ease. 2024 was a transformative year for Canary Wharf as our 3.0 evolution continues. Together, we launched Eden Dock and our groundbreaking partnership with Eden Project, grew our health and life science cluster, letting over 100,000 square feet of office and lab space, alongside kicking off construction on Europe's largest health and life science building, which is One North Quay. CWG secured over £2 billion worth of refinancing, demonstrating strong confidence in CWG, Canary Wharf, with whom we work closely for commercial properties. Ranked as the UK's number one shopping destination, opened 40 new retailers, reached record retail sales and football, which exceeds 72 million visitors this year. They secured recommitments and reinvestments in Wharf from brands like Barclays, Morgan Stanley, Fitch Ratings, Citi, and JP Morgan. I'll add Revolt as well with that. They all chose Canary Wharf as its global headquarters. We are incredibly proud of CWG team and its accomplishments in 2024 and can't wait to see how they continue to push the boundaries in 2025 and beyond in collaboration with our estate agency. Canary Wharf is renowned for its striking skyline, luxury apartments, and vibrant urban lifestyle. However, it's also boasts an impressive variety of residential houses, catering to diverse preferences and lifestyles. From contemporary apartments with stunning river views to traditional townhouses nestled in charming neighborhoods, Canary Wharf offers a unique blend of modernity and heritage. The residential developments in Canary Wharf are designed to provide both comfort and convenience. Many apartments feature state-of-the-art amenities such as gyms, swimming pools, concierge services, secure parking. Landmark projects like One Park Drive, Wardian London epitomize luxury living, with their architectural brilliance and thoughtfully designed interiors. For families and professionals seeking a quieter ambience, the surrounding areas of Canary Wharf, London, such as Limehouse and Isle of Dog, offer beautiful houses with ample space and access to green parks and riverside paths. These neighborhoods combine the charm of residential living with close proximity to vibrant hub of Canary Wharf. The area also attracts investors due to its strong rental demand and high yields. With a mix of newly built properties and restored historical buildings, the real estate market here caters to a wide range of tastes and budgets. Properties such as studio apartments, penthouses, mansionettes are particularly popular among young professionals and international buyers, or you can say end users, apart from investors, which are seeking a foothold in London's thriving market. Canary Wharf is more than just a financial district. It is a community that continues to grow and evolve. Ongoing projects and developments in the area promise even greater opportunities for homeowners and investors alike. The upcoming Wood Wharf project, for instance, aims to expand the residential and commercial spaces available, integrating green spaces, sustainable living, pedestrian-friendly zones to enhance the quality of life for residents. With excellent transport links, including the Jubilee Line, DLR, and the New Elizabeth Line, which is Crossrail, Canary Wharf, London offers unparalleled connectivity to central London and beyond. This makes it an attractive location for professionals who value convenience and lifestyle. So whether you're a seasoned investor or first-time buyer, we are here to make your property journey in Canary Wharf seamless. Further, I'll tell you about residential property prices in Canary Wharf. Prices in Canary Wharf vary widely depending on the type, size, and location of the property in Canary Wharf area. For luxury apartments in prestigious developments, prices typically range from $500,000 for one-bedroom units to over $2 million for spacious penthouses and panoramic views. Mid-range apartments in established complexes often start at around £400,000, providing excellent value for professionals and first-time buyers. Townhouses and family homes in areas such as Isle of Dogs and Limehouse generally fall within the range of £1 million British pounds to £2.5 million, offering larger living spaces and proximity to parks and schools. Studio apartments and entry-level flats are also available for under £400,000, making the area accessible to a wide range of buyers and investors. In terms of properties for sale, Canary Wharf boasts a dynamic market with a variety of options. From sleek new developments to characterful period homes, there's something for everyone. The ongoing Wood Wharf project and similar developments ensure a steady supply of high-quality residences, further enhancing the appeal of the area. And I'll also add any segment of end users have something for them in Canary Wharf, even the retirement homes and affordable housing. On the commercial sales and lettings rental side, Canary Wharf, as a prominent financial district in London, offers a range of commercial properties for sale and rent, with prices varying based on factors such as location, size, and property type. Office spaces in Canary Wharf exhibit a broad spectrum of rental prices. For instance, a 774 square feet office in Admiral's Way is listed at £2,229 per calendar month, which is a standard term in UK PCM, called PCM, per calendar month. Larger spaces such as 9,300 square feet offices at 15 Water Street are available for 40,700 PCM per calendar month, equating to approximately £52.50 per square feet per annum. These examples illustrate that rental prices can range from approximately £34 to £52 per square feet per annum, depending on the property specifics. The sale prices of commercial properties in Canary Wharf also vary significantly. For example, a retail premises on Manchester Road spanning 2,600 square feet can be around approximately £4 million. An office space at 10 Beaufort Court, measuring 1,000 square feet, can be approximately at £550,000 as of January 2025. These listings indicate that the sale price can range from approximately 390 to £4 million, 390,000 to 4 million, I mean to say. Influenced by factors such as size, location, and property condition. The commercial property market in Canary Wharf is experiencing notable shifts. The area faces challenges due to increased office vacancy rates, reaching nearly 17%, and a decline in demand. In response, the Canary Wharf Group is considering converting surplus office spaces into hotels and other facilities to revitalize the district. Additionally, there is a broader trend of transforming traditional office spaces into mixed-use developments, integrating workspaces with leisure, entertainment, and cultural attractions to adapt to changing work patterns and preferences. These developments suggest a dynamic and evolving commercial property landscape in Canary Wharf, London, influenced by factors such as remote working trends and need for diversified urban spaces. Further, I'll give you overall description of the area, Canary Wharf, London. It's located near the Isle of Dogs in London Borough of Tower Hamlets. Canary Wharf is defined by Greater London Authority as being part of London's Central Business District, CBD in short form, alongside Central London and alongside City of London. It constitutes one of the main financial centers in the United Kingdom and world, containing many high-rise buildings, including the third tallest in the UK, 1 Canada Square, which opened on 26th of August 1991. Developed on the site of former West India Docks in East London, Canary Wharf contains around 16 million square feet of office and retail spaces. It has many open areas and gardens, including Canada Square, Cabot Square, West Ferry Circus, Jubilee Park, and Crossrail Place Roof Garden. Together with Heron, Quays, and Wood Wharf, it forms the Canary Wharf estate, around 97 acres, which is roughly 39 hectares. Canary Wharf is located on the West India Docks on Isle of Dogs. As journalist Joes explains, the name of this location stems from its use during World War II as a storage area for agricultural exports, primarily tomatoes, cucumbers, and bananas from Canary Islands. Its remote position afar from the city centre even included the Canarian docks on its outskirts. From 1802 to late 1980s, that would become the Canary Wharf's estate was part of Isle of Dogs. Limehouse and Poplar was one of the busiest docks in the world. West India Docks was primarily developed by Robert Milligan in 1746 to 1809, who set up the West India Dock Company. The Port of London Authority was established in 1909 and took over control of West India Dock. The enterprise of Sir Alfred Lewis Jones, a Welsh shipping magnate who was a prominent figure in the Canary Islands, Spain, led to the constant stream of ships arriving into London's South Quay dock and naming of Canary Wharf after the ship's origin. After the 1960s, when cargo became containerized, port industry began to decline, leading to all the docks being closed by 1980. After the docks closed in 1980, the British government adopted policies to stimulate redevelopment of area, including the creation of LDDC, which is London Docklands Development Corporation, in 1981, and granting the urban enterprise zone status to Isle of Dogs in 1982. The Canary Wharf of today began with Michael Clem, former chairman of CSFB, Credit Suisse First Boston, came up with the idea to convert Canary Wharf into a back office. Further discussions with G. Ware led to proposals for new business district. CBD included the LDDC developing an expensive light metro scheme, the Docklands Light Railway, to make use of large amount of redundant railway infrastructure and improve access. We'll talk about Canary Wharf Group. In October 1995, an international consortium that included investors such as Elverlead bought control for $1.2 billion. Paul Richman of Olympia, New York was named chairman, and Canary Wharf went public in 1999. The new company was called Canary Wharf Limited and later became Canary Wharf Group. In addition to being a leading global financial district in the UK, Canary Wharf is famous for a cluster of tallest modern commercial complexes and residential high-rise buildings. Building from scratch in early 1990s, the district is home to first tallest iconic skyscraper, 1 Canada Square, in the UK. In 20 years, Canary Wharf's new rapid-grown skyscraper cluster was dramatically transformed the skyline of London with modern architectures. As of August 2024, 6 of UK's tallest buildings are located in Canary Wharf, which is 1 Canada Square, 771 feet, 235 meters, and Landmark Pinnacle, which is 233 meters, are third and fourth largest buildings in UK. Additionally, Newfoundland, 220 meters, Aspen at Consort Palace, 216 meters, South Quay Plaza, 215, 1 Park Drive, 205 meters. They hold the 7th to 10th positions. The 75-story Landmark Pinnacle is the tallest residential tower in the UK and the whole of Western Europe. Newfoundland is the tallest built-to-rent building in the UK. Novotel London Canary Wharf is the tallest all-hotel building in the UK and the tallest Novotel in the world. 1 Canada Square at 235 meters achieved a 21-year record of tallest building in the UK from 91 to 2012. With its distinctive pyramid pinnacle, the building is recognized as London landmark and has been featured in many films and television shows. Canary Wharf is home to world of European headquarters of numerous major banks, professional services firms, media organizations, including Barclays, Citigroup, Clifford Chance, Credit Suisse, Ernst Young, Fitch Ratings, HSBC, Infosys, India, JP Morgan, Chase, KPMG, MetLife, Moody's, Morgan Stanley, Royal Bank of Canada, Deutsche Bank, S&P Global, Skadden, Arps, Slate, Meager Flom, Slate Street, and the Economist Group, as well Thomson Reuters. Guys, until 2018, Canary Wharf also hosted two European Union agencies, European Medicines Agency and European Banking Authority, that moved to Amsterdam, Netherlands, and Paris, France, respectively, due to Brexit in UK. Alright, so we did lots of serious business talk, residential talk. Let's talk about leisure in Canary Wharf. It's full of it, you name it and it's there. Like Marina, which is West India Quays, and Poplar Dock are two marinas that are used as moorings for barges and private leisure rivercraft, and it's owned by the Canary and River Trust. A local public library called Idea Store Canary Wharf is in Churchill Place shopping mall and run by Tower Hamlets Council, which opened on Thursday, 16 March 2006, as part of Idea Store project, and is the borough fourth Idea Store. Canary Wharf hosts two multiplexes cinemas, one on West India Quay, run by Cineworld, and another at Crossrail Place called Everyman Cinema. About go-karting, there's an over 800-meter long electric go-karting facility existing within Cabot Square. The facility can accommodate up to 20 drivers at a single time. Carts can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. There are many squares and public areas in Canary Wharf. Canada Square is one of the central squares at Canary Wharf. It is a large open space with grass, except during the winter when it's converted into an ice rink. The square is named after Canada because the original developers of modern Canary Wharf, Olympia and York, wanted to reflect their heritage. Underneath the square is Canada Place shopping mall. West Ferry Circus is another one. It's on the west side of Canary Wharf. It is a garden at ground level, and below is a roundabout allowing traffic to flow through. The garden is enclosed by bespoke handcrafted ornamental railings and entrance gates by artist Gillespie Land. The area has long history dating back to 1812, when the Poplar and Greenwich Roads Company operated a horse ferry between Greenwich and Isle of Dogs. It operated on the West Ferry and East Ferry roads, which the name survived. West Ferry Circle was chosen as the name for the roundabout and park by virtue of its proximity to West Ferry Road. If we talk about sustainability and green spaces, abundance, lots to explore. CWG, which is the group adding more green spaces and gardens to the dense urban environment. The total of 20 acres of landscape parks, gardens, and wood and squares complete around 1,000 trees, 4,000 shrubs, 70,000 seasonal plants are added each year. Visitors are welcome to explore these parks and green spaces, which are ideal for relaxation, social gathering, performances, viewing outdoors, public art, as well as hosting outdoor events and festivals. Jubilee Park is another garden located above Jubilee Palace, a shopping mall, and the Canary Wharf Jubilee Station and underground railway station. It was opened in 2002. A newly opened garden located on the strand of Good Wharf features a broad walk for waterside wandering. The garden also offers family-friendly picnic spots and outdoor fitness equipment on the green lawn where visitors can relax and view outdoor public art, watch the water. Just around the corner, it has access to new garden square, which is Harvard Square Park. Thank you for watching it, guys. Thanks for your patience. If you have any questions, you can find my contact details, WhatsApp, Instagram, email, and any questions, I'll be waiting for them. Thank you for watching. It's Ardy Mann. So whether you're looking for selling, renting, buying, or investing, we are on hand to help you guys every step of the way. Thank you so much.